Good afternoon, friends, engineers, technicians, practitioners in the field. Today, I would like to share how to run a three-phase motor from a single-phase source. This is classic approach, and I would like to read my disclaimer for this video. So this video is not an absolute rule nor a standard practice for controlling three-phase motors. The methods herein are techniques that have been used in previous projects for specific applications. Anybody who wishes to use these techniques are responsible for their own safety. A detailed safety precautionary measures should be observed when to be done in real environment. Okay, how to run a three-phase motor for a single-phase source? This is classic. Now you must have, for this project, 1/2 horsepower starter, a 3 horsepower, 3-phase, 3,400 RPM motor to be act as a generator. It should be higher RPM than the prime mover. The prime mover is 3 horsepower, 3-phase, 1,750 RPM to drive a machine. Maybe normally in a machine shop, this is normally done in a machine shop here in the Philippines. So you have a lathe machine or a milling machine to be run because you can always buy an old 3 horsepower, 3-phase motor in the junk, which is cheaper. No, the motor now is being sold for per kilo for a junk 3-phase motor. So this is not standard practice, but you can do like this. You have the starter motor, you can close K1, switch K1. Then when the motor is running and it runs the motor generator, you can switch off K1 and motor generator K2 switch on. Then when the motor generator is switched on, it's running, then you can switch the K3, the prime mover. So this motor will 3,400 RPM will serve as generator with a single phase supply here. Also is feeding to the main prime mover, and this generates one small 3-phase power going to the other motor. This is not an exact 3-phase power, but this works fine in the actual practice. The thing is, you have to make your motor bigger in the field because the effect will be heating, higher current. So that's why you must have a tougher 3-phase main prime mover. Okay? One technique being used in practice. Another technique is this. I have a 600 microfarad capacitor to jog my motor to start. No? So I don't have a drive motor here, but I have a motor generator K1 with the capacitor. You have to start this motor by this K1 and also K2T, no? Close it with some using of some timers. After 2 seconds, K2T must be off. Now this is running, this 3-phase motor generator, and close K3, and you are running K3. Take note, this motor generator must have no load. You don't have to load this motor generator. The only loaded is your main prime mover. Okay, this is how to do it. Or I can also use like this, which I have problem in diving industry. I usually dive, and one problem of my client is his compressor is always burning. No, he has a 5 horsepower 3-phase motor, and always the capacitor burn out. So I converted the system by buying a 3-phase junk motor from Caloocan in the Philippines. And the thing is, I only upgrade. No, I install a bigger flywheel and a heavier flywheel. And systems like this, you switch K3 and K2 on. After 2 seconds, K2 is off, and the only voltage single phase is running in your three-phase motor. Okay, why I installed a flywheel? This is for energy storage. It helps the motor so that the current will not run too high. This is how to do running a three-phase motor with single-phase supply.